Hi boys and girls, it's me. You can even buy it now, but you can't buy me. I think this is RW would have a problem with that. I'm in Kutztown. I'm at my table with just always wonderful tubes. And we've got some radios over here. And we're having a good time. Friday morning, right now it's about 11 o'clock. So we've been here for a few hours already. I'm going to go around with the camera and show you all the things going on. And stay tuned, grab a beverage, and hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by. Bye. So it just wouldn't be the same if I just didn't get a couple of these in. This Arvin's beautiful.
I'm waiting to tell you something. What it is, Red Renninger?
We have too many at home to take any more long. Somebody really hits me.
Well, a lot of people will look at it.
It's different.
It's different on it.
It's different, man.
I just set that on the table too. It's cool. I really don't have it for sale, but I do bought it.
Got a kind of an interesting mix of radios here.
That's right. I didn't know this came in a multi-band version. Yeah. It's a G charger battery pack in it. That is cool.
Okay, let's go.
So our terms tonight are, you must be registered to bid. It is a $5 registration fee. There is a 10% buyer's premium. Everything is being sold as is, where is, with no warranties, no liability to us or DVHRC. If you bring it home, you plug it in, and you burn your house down, don't call us, call the fire department. So, you must pay in cash. We're taking cash only. Everything must be paid for and hauled out of here tonight.
Okay, we have a pair of speakers. Acoustic-phase. Lot number.
They're not light, they're substantial.
Lot number.
All right. Lot number 13-1.
Lot 13-1. $5 bill anywhere, $5 anywhere, $5 bid on the speakers, $1 on the speakers, $1 anywhere, $1 on the speakers. $1 I have now, $2. Looking $2. $1 bid them at $2. $1 bid them at $2. $1 going once, $1 going twice. So $1 number 19. We got a box lot. Looks like we got a Series 1 Simpson meter. We got soldering gun. What's the lot number? Number. Lot 2-1. How about a $5 bill on the lot? Got a Simpson in there, $5 bill, looking $5 anywhere, $5, $2 on the lot, $2 on the box lot, 2 I got, looking for 3, 2 now 3, 3 now 4, 3 now 4, 3 now 4, $3 going once, that's 4 I got, 4 looking for 5, 4 bid for 5, 5 now 6, 5 now 6, 5 now 6, 6 I got now 7, 7 I got now 8, so $7 going once, $7, 8 now 9, 8 bid them at 9, 9 now 10, 9 now 10, 9 now 10, 9 going once, going twice, sold 27.
It says console model 60, Atwater Kent, no speaker.
Atwater Kent model 60. How about a $5 bill on the Atwater Kent? $5 in the console, $5 anywhere. 5 I got, 5 now 750, 5 now 750, 5 bid them at 750, 5 bid them at 750, $5 going once, $5 going twice, sold $5, number 46.
I think that's a
Zenith. Lot 12-1, we got a Zenith. Nice little wooden waterfall Zenith. Look at the back of it. Nice little waterfall back on there. How about $10 on a Zenith? $10 anywhere. 10 on a wooden Zenith. 10 I got, little 1250. 10 at 1250, now 15. 1250 bid with 15. 1250 bid with 15. 1250 bid with 15. 1250, 15. Now 1750. 1750 now 20. 20 I got, now 2250. 20 now 2250. 20 now 2250. 20 going once. 20 going twice. So number 25. What I got? Number.
14-4.
Lot 14-4. We got a
Majestic 130.
Majestic Model 130.
It's got a $100 price tag on it. It's probably worth every penny.
$10 on the Majestic, $10 anywhere, $10 bill on the Majestic, $10 anywhere, $10 on the Majestic, $5 on the Majestic, 5 I got now $7.50, 5 minimum $7.50, 5 minimum $7.50, 5 minimum $7.50, $5 going once, $5 going twice, sold $5, number 46. Lot 12-2. We have I can't see, what is that? Is it a Detrola?
Stuart Warner.
Stuart Warner. How about $5 on a Stuart Warner? $5 anywhere. 5 I got now $7.50. 5 $7.50. $7.50 now 10. 10 now $12.50. 12.50 now 15. 12.50 now 15. 12.15 now $17.50. 17.50 now 20. 17.20 I got $22.50. 20 number $22.50. 20 looking for $22.50. $22.50 now $25. $22.50 now $25. $25 now $27. $25 now $27.50. $5 now $27.50. $5 now $27. $27.50 now $30. $27.50 now $30. Looking for $30. Put him at $30. $30 I got now $32.50. $30 now $32.50. $30 now $32.50. $30 going once. $30 going twice. $30 sold. Number, sir, 64. Name it, it's in there. Tray lot of tubes. How about $5 anywhere? 5 on a tray of tubes. $5 anywhere. $5 on the tubes. $2 on the tubes. 2 I got now 3. 2 now 3. 2 now 3. 3 now 4. 3 now 4. 3 minimum 4. 3 minimum 4. 4 I got now 5. 4 now 5. 5 now $7.50. 5 now $7.50. 5 now $7.50. $5 going once. $5 going twice. Sold $5. Number 390A. What's that?
Cape Part.
Cape Part R390A.
400 firm.
No, it's not 400 firm. It does have a reserve. Let's see where it goes. We're going to start it at $100. $100 anywhere. $100 anywhere. $100 on an R390A. 100 I have now. 125. Now 125. Now 125. 100 now 125. We have a $200 reserve on this R390A. $200 anywhere on the R392 I have. $200. Looking for 210. 2 looking for 210. 2 looking for 210. 200 going once, 200 going twice, sold 200, number 61.
11-8.
Lot 11-8, we have a Tektronix, I think that's a storage scope. What model is it?
7854.
Okay, how about, what's this, got a keypad with it? Is that part of it?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Tech scope, high-tech scope. How about $10 on the scope, $10 anywhere? $10 on the scope, 10 I got that $12.50. 10 now $12.50, 10 minimum $12.50, 10 minimum $12.50, 10 minimum $12.50, $10 going once, $10 going twice, sold $10, number 19. Clock radio, mantle clock radio, what do we call it? Okay.
The finials are... I got all the finials.
Missing a finial. Oh, you got the finials.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to start it out at $100. $100 anywhere? $100 anywhere?
Yes.
100 I have, now 110. 100 now 110, 100 now 110. 100 looking for 110. How about 105? I'm looking for 105. 100 looking for 105. 100 looking for 105. 105 now 110. 110 looking minimum 110. Minimum 110 now 120. 110 now 120. 110 now 120. 10 now 120. Looking for 120. 110 going once. Are we? What's the reserve? 150. 150. What's the reserve?
I believe it's 150.
150. Okay. The reserve is 150. Any interest at 150?
radio is working.
The radio is working. Any interest at 150? I got 150 as bid. 150 now 160. 150 now 160. 150 now 160. 150 going once. 150 going twice. Sold 150. Number 47. Lot 10-1 radio is working. Dial cord is off. It is a very nice Setchel Carlson. You don't see them. Very nice Setchel Carlson. Looks the same chassis as a Dalberg. Okay. How about $10 on a Setchel Carlson? $10 anywhere in a Setchel. I got 10 looking for $12.50. 10 minimum $12.50. 10 minimum $12.50. 10 minimum $12.50. $10 going once. $10 going twice. $10 number 61. Very nice buy. RCA. We have a 1-64. We got an RCA clock radio. Any cracks?
Not that I see.
A little dirty, no cracks? Okay, how about $10 on the RCA? $10 anywhere. $10, $5 on an RCA. 5 I got now, $7.50 now, 10, $7.50, minimum 10, $7.50, 10 now, $12.50, 10 now, $12.50, $10 going once, $10 going twice, $10 sold, number 01.
Wow, that was a bargain.
Lot number 17-1, is that a Lafayette? Lafayette. We have a Lafayette receiver. How about $5 on the lot? You got $5 and $5. I have now $7.50. $5 bid at $7.50. $5 bid at $7.50. $5 bid at $7.50. $5 going once. $5 going twice. $5 sold. Number 62.
42.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
1-72.
Lot 1-72. I'd say change your tune, but we're doing pretty well here. Okay, we have a Catalan General Electric. You don't see it very often. It is cracked. You've seen it in the preview. How about $100 on a Catalan? $100 anywhere. The $100 I have. One now, 110. One now, 110. One bid at 110. One bid at 110. One bid at 110 now, 120. One then now, 120. 110 bid at 120. 120 now, 130. 120 now, 130. 120 now, 130. 130 now, 140. 130 now, 140. 130 now, 140. Now, 150. 140 now, 150. 140 going once. 140 going twice. 140 sold, sir. Number 7. We have a breadboard, Model 10C. Yes, Model 10C. This has a reserve on it. Let's see where it goes. $100 bill on a breadboard. 100 I have. Now 110, 110, 110, 110, 100, 110, 120, 110, 120, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Okay. 210, 220. 230, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 300, looking for 320, 320, 340, 360, 380, 390, 400, 400, 450, 450, 500. 450 looking for 500. 450 looking for 500. The reserve is $500. I have 500 is bid. 550. 600. 550. 550 looking for 600. 550 looking for 560. 550 looking for 560. 550 but about 560. 560 now 570. 560 now 570. 560 now 570. 570 now 580. 570 going once. 570 going twice. All done at 580. 580 now 590, 600, 600 now 610, 620, 630, 640, 700, 700 looking for 710, 700 looking for 710, 700 going once, going twice, sold $700, number 55.
This week on One-on-One with Matt Leon, Baker talks about returning to the main line to serve in the newly created position of General Manager of Villanova.
It's a working 90.
But also roster management.